By MAF GigEcon here, and today we're going to talk about a tip on Shipt where you can make a little bit more bread per delivery. But before I get to that tip on Shipt, if y'all new here and you like the content and like to know the tips and tricks on how to make the most money possible doing gig work, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash that like button. And y'all know what time it is. Cue the way. So yeah, I have a tip for y'all on how you can increase the amount of money you can make per deliveries. You see this delivery over here? $7.64. It's only 6 minutes away from the store. But the delivery was posted way before the delivery window. And you see this one, $13.64 for that same delivery, and it was posted at that amount, the same exact delivery, going about 6 minutes away from the store. Keep in mind that I was on my way back yesterday towards Wegmans, where I picked up another order on Instacart. Now, you see the difference of that? The $7.64 was posted way before the pickup window. That same order, that $13.64, was posted close to the delivery window. And my tip for y'all to make the most money possible, if you're picking up a delivery close to the delivery window, you'll get the most money possible. Because if you wait too long, the delivery amount will reset for the next hour because you're now encroaching into the delivery window. And they'll push it on to the next hour at the same rate that you saw an hour before the delivery window. So always, when it gets closer to the delivery window, check for orders or watch orders, because 9 times out of 10 they will raise the price that they're willing to get the order out. And then if the customer decides that they want a tip on top of that, then you're making more money than you would have just taking that order at $7.46. And now you're getting $6 more on top of that, taking it at $13.64, and then the customer tips on top of that. So now you're making an extra $6 for doing nothing but waiting for that delivery. MAF GigEcon here. I don't get up out of here like Mr. Vontae Davis. And hopefully this tip helps y'all make as much money as possible. And I'll see y'all on next video or live stream. Peace.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to